This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Roxana Purow. Beautiful single-family home just built in 2026. 3 bedrooms, ND 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage attached and a fully equipped laundry with washer and dryer. Ready to be occupied, long-term lease. It is an amazing opportunity to live in a never-occupied home, just finished in May 2026. For more information, review the details below or contact Roxana Purow at 239-248-3477.